Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best framing nailer. Here are the top 3 framing nailers that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. NuMax Pneumatic 21-degree framing nailer. The framing nailer has a lightweight and durable magnesium body with professional efficiency and feel. It also features depth adjustment so that you can nail it as per your requirements. You can switch between bump fire and single fire with an interchangeable trigger. The framing nailer features an ergonomic handle that ensures a secure grip and anti-vibration comfort. It also comes with an air and dust filter which acts as a cleansing agent for the internal parts of the equipment. At number 2. Metabo HPT Cordless Framing Nailer Kit. This framing nailer operates without cords, making it convenient for the user to maneuver and utilize the equipment. It uses 3 lithium-ion battery to provide optimal operation time, and it also comes with a fast-acting charger that keeps the work continuous and steady. The best part of the framing nailer is the size range of nails it can work with. The typical sizes are 2 inches to 3.5 inches. It also accepts round-head plastic collated nails. It features tool-less depth adjustments, which provides a pleasing finish to the job even after using different materials. The framing nailer also comes with a pivoting rafter hook for easy and convenient storage. At number 1. Paslode Lithium-Ion Cordless Framing Nailer. The best thing about this framing nailer is its wireless characteristic. You can now frame nails without dealing with cords. Paslode framing nailer works on a different procedure that eliminates the need to warm up. It can be used immediately after being powered on. It comes with a lightweight body design that reduces user fatigue and makes it easier to handle. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, which triggers it to fire up to 9,000 nails per charge. With the framing nailer, you can use nails within the size range of 2 to 3.5 inches, making it perfect for almost any task. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.